How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to add another time zone in Samsung phone. So to do that you need to add a clock widget. So come to your home screen, find an empty part of it and tap and hold it to bring up this menu at the bottom, and then press on widgets. So from here scroll down and find clock to open it up, and then you're looking for the dual clock, which should be the last one. So tap it and add it. So once it appears on your home screen, tap and hold it and then open up the dual clock settings, and here you'll have the option to edit the first and second city. So first city we'll change it to Paris. So tap it and then press change, and then when you're happy with that you simply press save, and now you can see we have 2 time zones. So that's how to add another time zone in Samsung phone. Thank you for watching.